Good morning. My name is Father Rayappa. I am from the village called Ekattupadi near Vellore, South India. Today I'm going to talk about sociobiology, which was renewed by the book Sociobiology, the New Synthesis, written by Edward O. Wilson, the Harvard biologist, in 1975. So a lot of argument going on this subject. Anyway, what is sociobiology? And I would like to give an example. Okay, example can explain things better. A sociobiological explanation of human running. So humans run. We are able to run quite fast. Why? Why should we run? To start with, we are human beings, we are image of God, and we have got brain, we have got instinct. Why? The running is not a reasoning activity. Actually, it is an instinctive activity. When fear comes, we run because to escape from the predators. So, human running we might argue that human beings are good at running because our bodies have evolved to run bipedally. Because as four legs like apes and orangutans and great apes and small apes, they can walk on two legs also, but they tend to go on four. Once you go on four, you are fast, but mammals like us humans or monkeys, they are not like other mammals like deer and wild beasts. They are quite faster, but we didn't develop that complex. So in the course of human evolution, we had to run away from predators, those who had the genetic makeup to be effective runners survived and passed along their genes, while those lacking the genetic predisposition for running were killed by predators. So that is how the human behavior of running can be explained, because we developed running because to escape from some danger. So that trait has been passed even today. Today, even if you see a snake, you don't stand there, you run. When even a mosquito comes, you run. So we are overdoing running, I guess. While the term sociobiology can be traced to the 1940s, the concept did not gain major recognition until the publication of Edward O. Wilson's book, Sociobiology, the New Synthesis, in 1975. The new field quickly became the subject of controversy, criticism, most notably from Richard Lewontin and Stephen Jay Gould, centered on the contention that genes play a role in human behavior and that traits such as aggressiveness, anger, jealousy, possessiveness, selfishness can be explained by biology rather than social environment. In other words, you see, all this anger, I'm an angry person, I can explain. This is because my father was angry and my mother was angry. I'm selfish, I am jealous, I am very aggressive because my father and mother must have been more aggressive and angry and selfish. So those traits we can explain through biology. We don't have to bring society to, because society influenced a particular organism to be aggressive and angry and selfish. No. It is to start with, it is in your genes itself, and society is nothing to do. So that is the argument the opposition of sociobiology gave. So sociobiologists responded to the criticism by pointing to the complex relationship between nature and nurture. There is a lot of controversy. Nature is one way, and how should we nurture nature? Nurturing is taking care of it or getting benefit from nature. So we always benefit from nature. We learn everything in nature. All wisdom comes from nature. So now sociobiologists, they have a better argument. Everything comes from nature. I have learned from nature. So even the Bible says, learn from nature. Even the big prophets and theologians and philosophers, they write, we learn from nature, isn't it? So that means we can uh, uh, really refute the arguments given by Richard Lewontin and Stephen J. Gould, who say that biology is enough. Biology has all these traits. But now we can refute these people and say, no, we learn from nature. So many creatures have learned from nature. So sociobiology is a field of scientific study that is based on the hypothesis that social behavior has resulted from evolution and attempts to examine and explain social behavior within that context. It is the branch of biology that deals with social behavior and also draws from ethology, anthropology, evolution, zoology, archaeology, population genetics, and other disciplines. Within the study of human societies, sociobiology is closely allied to the field of Darwinian anthropology, human behavioral ecology, and evolutionary psychology. Sociobiology investigates social behaviors such as mating patterns, territorial fights, pack hunting, and the hive society of social insects. It argues that just as selection pressure led to animals evolving useful ways of interacting with the natural environment, it led to the genetic evolution of advantageous social behavior. So actually, I want to summarize what I've been talking for the past 7 minutes. When this famous book, Sociobiology, the New Synthesis, a classical work, was published in 1975, it created a new discipline and started a tumultuous round in the age-old nature versus nurture debate. Although voted by officers and fellows of the International Animal Behavior Society, the most important book on animal behavior of all time, Sociobiology, is probably more widely known as the object of bitter attacks by social scientists and other scholars who opposed its claim that human social behavior, indeed human nature, has a biological foundation. The controversy surrounding the publication of the book reverberates even to the present day. Take care and bye.